Hi everyone, welcome to Brilliant Study Center, Pala. Brilliant is launching English-only NEET JEE KEAM crash batches to help you to achieve your dream career. Did you know that Sridhan Sharmal, who scored a perfect 720 out of 720 in NEET 2024, was a brilliant student? He didn't just ace the exam, he secured All India Rank 1 and Kerala Rank 1. And that's not all. Brilliant students secured all the top 9 ranks in Kerala medical entrance exams. Brilliant has aced the engineering entrance exams too. Our students grabbed all the top ranks in Kerala, including the first rank in both JEE Mains and KEAM. Malayali students from outside Kerala, NRI students, students from Gulf countries, NEET or JEE aspirants from other states. What makes these crash batches special? Daily online classes, detailed study materials accessible through our e-learning app, opportunity to take Brilliant's mock exams, classes by India's top professors, live and recorded classes, up-to-date study materials prepared by experienced professors, 4.9 rated e-learning app, professional mentorship, numerous mock exams based on NEET, JEE, KEAM patterns, weekly or daily exams and result analysis, question paper discussions, AI-assisted doubt clearance, expert support for future course admissions. Now coming to the scholarships. Up to 100% of scholarship for students in state syllabus who have scored above 90% in plus 1. Up to 100% scholarship for students in CBSE, ICSE or other states who scored about 96% in 10th standard. 100% to 10% scholarship for students who scored 425 or above in NEET 2024. What are you waiting for? Join Brilliant's crash course today. Visit www.brilliantpala.org to register. Call us for more information 04822 206100.
Brilliant Study Center, India's #1 coaching center for NEET and JEE.